In fact, what are some of your market predictions for 2024 that will better help everybody understand where we're at and where we're going?
Well, I think you always have to look at what are your financial objections, your financial object, not objections, but your financial
Objectives,
goals.
goals and objectives.
Okay,
Yeah.
and what are your exit strategies, right? Okay, so we want long-term wealth. We want passive income. We want rentals and long-term wealth. How do you get to that point, though? You don't just snap your fingers and you're there. So a lot of people, like, let me give an example of my hard money lending program. 20% of all the people I fund are landlords who are doing this process, this strategy right now. Okay, and I'll explain why they're doing it in a second. But what 20% of them are doing in my lending program is they're coming to me to buy a house, to fix it up and sell it and get a large chunk of money from that. Okay, do say 2 houses, take that money and use it as a down payment to buy an apartment unit or a multi-unit, maybe a quad, something like that. So they're doing this, this 2-in-1 approach, rehabbing a couple houses and then buying one that they can long-term finance, but you needed that down payment with it and stuff. And so a lot of those people, are doing that, right now they're coming, to me on my lending program. And so that's, and that's where this works well with this. Nathan, what I'm about to say has not happened in the past 14 years. Okay, this is totally mind blowing, and it's gonna describe why there's such a dichotomy between short sales and the rest of the economy. Right now, the months of inventory of homes all across the country is generally 2 months or less. We can look in St. Louis. I think they said it was 1.2 months in St. Louis. We're not even Austin, Texas. My gosh, we're just Podunk, St. Louis, Missouri. Yeah, we only have, 2 months of inventory. So that says, okay, remember, I'm the guest on your show, so I get to give you my opinions of the economy, right? So this is my opinion. When you have 2 months of inventory, can we say balls to the wall? Is that okay? Can we say it on here? You should be going balls to the wall on rehabbing houses because you have a need out there. And totally that is separate from the short sale world. The banks don't know that they don't even know there's 2 months of inventory. They don't know that you're going to rehab the house. They don't know you're going to sell it for a profit. They're looking at the fact that they're a bank and they've got fiat currency. It's a 15-to-1 ratio. If they have a non-performing loan, it works in reverse. They got to take 15 times off their books. That's the short sale world. And you got this world out here where you can make huge profits, okay, that you can use for, multifamily. You can use it for, just single family, residential. There's a lot of targets. When you got cash, you can do a lot with it. And so I think that's really what's going on in this economy right now.